Hey guys, Michael Rakestraw here, and today we're going to do a full 240 volt test on the Federal Siren Signal Model 2 220. And yeah, we have a 12 gauge wire up. That's kind of sketchy setup. I have cooldomino with me.
Hello.
We're at cooldomino's house right now. So yeah.
Yeah.
Even with the
Free blast. Full blast in 3, 2, 1. And I want to do a quick attack. Real quick after the line sound.
okay, just one like cycle, just
Yeah, just 2 cycles of attack probably. Here we go.
hopefully it didn't catch on fire. Hopefully it didn't like catch on fire. It has the LC housing on right there. And it's very loud, even with the hearing protection on.
Yeah, we're standing like 5 feet away from it or something. I think you just open the box or can So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Wow, that was crazy. It spun the siren. The thing.